morning students. Next we're going to see the exercise 2.10. What is exercise 2.10? Nothing but determine the region in the plane. Determine the region in the plane determined by the inequalities. Determine the inequalities. There is called inequalities. For this 7 sums we need to draw the graph. Using the graph only we need to draw. If going to use the graph, it will be very useful for us. We can easily plot the feasible region. The solution region we can easily find where the solution is in a graph. At present, I am going to use one of the board, but the students, you need to use the graph and plot the points and draw a straight line and point the feasible regions. What are the regions we need to plot? So, they give the first sum, x is less than or equal to 3y. X is less than or equal to 3y. And x is greater or equal to y. They given the first question as x is less than or equal to 3y and x is greater than y. Solution: before moving inside a sum, x is less than or equal to 3y. For this, I need to draw a line because this is an equation of a line. This is an equation of line. In spite of taking this inequality symbols, I am going to plot the points as it is. How are you going to plot? See here. First, I am going to plot the points for x point and y point. First I am going to take x point, next I am going to take y point, x and y point. If I am going to see, to draw a line, that is 2 points enough. To draw a line, for me 2 points enough. To draw a line, we need only 2 points. So I am going to find only 2 points. How am I going to find 2 points? By putting x is equal to 0 and putting y equal to 0, I can easily find the 2 points. By putting x is equal to 0 and putting y equal to 0. If x is 0, I need to consider this inequalities as equal. I need to consider this inequality symbol as equal. If I am going to consider this inequality symbol as equal, if x is equal to 0, then y is also 0. If x is equal to 0, this 3 comes down, 0 by 3 is 0, y is also 0. If y is 0, 3 into 0 is 0, x is also 0. Since both the points are same, I can neglect one point. Since 0, 0, 0, both the points are same, I can neglect one point. I am going to put x is equal to 3. I am going to apply x is equal to 3. Why I am going to x is equal to 3? Then only this 3 and this 3 can be easily cancelled. If I am going to apply 2, in place of x, if I am going to apply 1 or 2, if I am going to apply in place of x is equal to 1, this 3 comes down, the coming answer will be 1 by 3, fraction. So, in order to avoid fraction, I am going to put the divisibility in 3. I am going to apply divisibility in 3. So, in place of x, I am going to apply 3. This 3 comes down, 3 by 3 is 1, therefore y answer is 1. Therefore, what are the points here? 0, 0. Here 0, 0 and 3, 1 is the point. To draw this line, I need only 2 points. So, these 2 points are used. Then x is greater or equal to y. X is greater or equal to y. X is greater or equal to 5. I need to consider this inequality symbol as equal. I need to consider this inequality symbol as equal. So, I am going to plot the points. I am going to plot the points. The simple points. Since there is no constant, I can easily put x is equal to 0 means y is also 0. I don't need to put as it is. Leave it as it is. If x equals 0, y is also 0, I am going to apply x is equal to. If x is equal to, y is also 2. If x is equal to, y is also 2. Since there is no constant here and here, so the point is nothing but 0, 0 and 2, 2. So, first I am going to draw this line using this point 0, 0. So, since our point is 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, I am going to take x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So, I am going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is going to take -1, -2, -3, -4. This one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is going to be -1, -2, -3, -4. Now I am going to draw this line using these points 0, 0. This is a point 0, 0. This is the first point. Next 3, 1. This is 3, this is 1. This point is 3, 1. So this is 0, 0 and another point is nothing but 3, 1. So one point is 0, 0 and another point is 3, 1. You see 0, 0 and 3, 1. So I am going to draw a line. After joining these 2 points, I can stretch this line. Since I am not having any scale, the line will be somewhat bent only. But if you are going to draw in using graph and scale, you can easily use a straight scale. Using a straight scale, you can draw this line. Using a scale, you can draw this straight line. What is the line name? X is less than or equal to 3y. Write the line. X is less than or equal to 3y. This is the point. X is less than or equal to 3y. After drawing this line, I need to shade the region. This is very important. I need to shade the region. For shading the region, what font I can use? See, suppose you can use bottom of this line or upward of this line. Suppose you can take line left of the line or right of the line. You can take one point. You can take left of the line or right of the line. To shade, I am going to take left of the line or right of the line. I can take any one point. Suppose if we are going to take the consider one point, nothing but 4, 1, because this 4, 1 is present here only in the first quadrant. Otherwise, I can take 5, 1 also or wish. You can take 1, something, but it is very difficult to take. Otherwise, very easiest one, I can take 1, 0, 2, 0, because this one is lies right of the line. So I am going to take 2, 0. I am going to take 2, 0. We are going to apply 2, 0 here. X is less than or equal to 3y. Apply 2, 0. This is x, this is y. Apply here 2 is less than or equal to 3 into 0 is 0. 2 is less than or equal to 0 means this is wrong. 2 is less than or equal to 0. No, this is not wrong. You can apply any point. Suppose if you are going to apply 3. 3, 0. Here 3 less than 3 into 0 is 0. 3 is less than or equal to 0. This is also wrong. So, shading is not possible in the right side of the line, but shading is possible in left side of the line. Suppose this is not possible, then this is one of the possible case. For things I can take an example also. I am going to take point left of the line 2, 0. 0, 2. I can apply point 0, 2. X is nothing but 0. 0 less than or equal to 3 2s are 6. 0 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 6. This is correct. 0 is less than 6 only. So, shading is possible in this way only. In spite of shading this, I am going to put arrow alone. This arrow shows this line shades towards left of the line. I am going to put arrow alone. After that, I am going to shade fully. At present, I am going to put arrow alone. After that, I will shade fully. So, this is the shading for this line. Next, I am going to plot this line 0, 0 and 2, 2. This is 0, 0. Which one is 2, 2? This line is 2, 2. 0, 0 and 2, 2. First, join this line. After joining this line, stretch this line. After joining these 2 points, stretch this line. What is the name of this line? What is the name of this line? Find the name of the line. X is greater or equal to y. X is greater or equal to y. After drawing this line, what am I going to do? See, now for this line, I need to find the shade. For taking this line, I can take left of any point and right of any point. Suppose I am going to take, for this line, I am going to take right. Nothing but I can apply 2, 0 itself. Right is nothing but 2, 0. This is left. This is right. I am going to apply 2, 0 here. X is greater or equal to y. I am going to apply 2, 0. This is x no. X is greater or equal to what is y? 0. 2 is greater or equal to 0. This one is correct. Satisfies. So this line shades 2, 0 is present here. I need to shade this side. So in spite of shading this, I will put arrow. This is no problem. No. I will put arrow here. After putting arrow, you can shade which are the intersections for both this. We need to find which is both the intersection. This one shades here, this one shades here. This no use. But see this one, this part shades both the sides. This one shades somewhat intersects. So this one is called our feasible region. This is our feasible region. So this is the solution for this inequalities. This is a solution for this. This is a solution. In this any point we can apply to make this inequalities correct. So this is our feasible region for this sum. Thank you.